third graders. Today you're going to be reading an article called Sun, Earth, and the Moon. So if you flip open your book, it's on pages 12 through 19. So that's what you're going to be reading today. And if you look through that, you're going to be able to tell what type of genre this is. And it's nonfiction. And another name for nonfiction is informational, because it's going to give us real facts about the sun, earth, and the moon. And when you're done reading, I'd love for you to find the most interesting or amazing or surprising fact you learned about the sun, earth, and the moon, and give me the most amazing fact for each in the comment section below. So just to go over some of the tricky words that you're going to be reading about. In the sun section, okay, so if you want to find this word, you can. It's on page 13 in your book, and we don't often see this blend, but DW says dwa, and this word, so that would be dwarf. And the reason why it's talking about that word is because the sun is called a yellow dwarf star. Which basically is also, we're going to learn that I think of the sun as being like super big, but we're going to learn that it's actually just an average size. Okay? You're also going to learn like the difference between red giants and white giants, and that's the word giants right here. So when you see it, I know sometimes we see G and we want to say G, because that's what G, well, for the most part says, but we know that it also says J when it's followed by an E or an I. So that word is giants. Okay. The other tricky word in this section is on page 14. You're going to see this long word. So just keep in mind, we've gone over this, when we see PH together, that says F, just like the word phone or photograph. PH says F. So this word is photo, and then this word is sphere. So the photosphere, you're going to learn, is basically the part of the sun that we see. And it's made up of gases that give us the heat and the light that we get on sunny days, cloudy days. But the part we see is called the photosphere. Okay, you're also going to learn what sunspots are, and also what this word is so. AR says R, so that says lar, so solar. And then we have full airs. You're going to learn what solar flares are. And basically, solar flares give off something called, I'll write it for you so you know how to read it when you see it. Oops. Trying to write it too quick. All right, so they give off something called radiation. Says shun, radiation, and that's a type of energy. Luckily, the solar flares don't give off any harmful radiation to humans or animals. The next section, if you flip your book to page 16, you're going to see a new heading. So that means you're going to be learning about something new, and that would be the earth. So on page 16 and 17, you'll read all about the earth. One thing that's going to be neat is you're going to learn how much of the percent is made up of the earth is made up of water, and what percent is made up of land. So I'll show you what that word looks like. You'll see it when you're reading. ER says so percent. And I know we sometimes say k when we see C, but we're not going to say the k because the E comes next, so we're going to say the soft C, which is, so that word is percent. And the last section, you're going to learn about the moon. And the two important words I'm going to show you that you're going to find on those pages, 18 and 19, are, you'll find out the moon has cr, CR says cr, and then we know ATE would be 8. So the moon has craters on it. And the craters are caused by this long word, me, T, OR says or, meteor, ites. Okay, so meteorites, basically they're solid pieces of objects that maybe fell off of a comet or a meteor and hit the moon and caused the crater. Okay, so you're going to want to be able to read the word craters and meteorites. So, happy learning. I hope you guys learn a lot and have a great day. Have a great Wellness Wednesday day tomorrow. Okay, great job, guys. Thanks.